Here is the Excel some new features are unique, short by, choose column, text join, text split, stack and restack. We go through each of the function. First, we choose unique record. The unique record gives a unique value. Can see they asked first array, then column by. Simply press enter and you will get only unique records. The another function is short by. Short. The another function is short. We have to first select the array I have chosen invoice date and party name, and the short index is 2. I want to record by the party name, and the sort order is ascending. Press enter, you will get the value in short by the party name. The another function is short by. Short by. We have to choose first array. I choose it all, and then I want to sort the party in descending order and the bill amount in ascending order. Then first by array is party name and short order is descending, and the bill amount is the second array and short order is ascending. Now you can notice our party name are in ascending order, descending order, and the bill amount is descending order. Our party name in ascending order. Now you can see our party name in descending order and the bill amount in ascending order. You can see here the underwriting bill showing 2860425012710 in ascending order. The another function is choose column. Each array has a unique index value. Means this record has 3 unique index value. First, this is the first value. This is second index value. This is third. I want only client party name and the bill amount. So we use choose columns, and the index value or column number should be 2 and 3. Close the bracket and you will get the party name and bill amount. Now the another function is the unique. Now the another function is a text join. Simply type text join, and I want to join party name. First they ask for a delimiter. Delimiter I keep comma, and then if any cell is empty, ignore it. That is a 2, and the text value I choose the party name. All text combined with comma. Now in this I want only unique records. Simply type unique and you will get only unique records. Now, another function is a split text. Here the party name and I want to split it by delimiter, that is a spacing. Here's our text, column delimiter, space only if cell is empty, true, case sensitivity, 0, matching, and enter. Now you can notice it gets split by the delimiter of spacing. The another function is extract. If you want to join these two arrays in a single array, choose extract. First choose first array and then second array. You will get single array. As you notice, these two arrays are combined. Similar, the another function is VSTACK. If you want to join to another array in a vertically, then use VSTACK. Our first array and the second array. Now you can notice both the array combined in a single by the arrow.